Hey guys, it's Sarah for Chroma Yachty Fine Art, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to make resin crinkle rainbow coasters. I saw these recently on Instagram and I thought I'd give it a try because rainbows are fun, right? So first we're going to be starting off with some extreme resin. That is a 1-to-1 ratio. And then you give it a good stir for about 4 minutes. As always, when using resin, please make sure to wear a mask and gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Next, you just take some plastic sandwich baggies and I cut off the back flap from the front flap. You can also use cling wrap, but I personally have not found one that does not stick to my resin, but I have found success with these sandwich baggies. So then I just pour resin, filling up my molds about halfway. Then hit them with a small heat gun. Using a smaller heat gun is nice because it won't melt your silicone molds like a blowtorch or a bigger heat gun will. Then you just put your plastic baggies on top and try to make a crinkle effect. If your resin is fresh and not left over from another project, you may have to re-crinkle a couple of times as it hardens. With this technique, no matter what, you're going to have some air bubbles that get trapped in the plastic, and it just kind of is par for the course. I usually try my best while making the wrinkles to squish out some of the air bubbles. Let the resin cure and sit for about 3 hours. Now this is going to depend on which brand resin you use, but with extreme resin I found I have to wait about 3 hours, or at least until I can feel that the resin is hard to the touch. Then just peel off the plastic. Next I have a set of rainbow mica powders that I got off of Amazon. I decided for the yellow I wanted there to be a little bit of a gold tone in there, so I just mixed that with a yellow mica powder. So I like to start with red in one corner and then do purple in the opposite corner. Instead of working in sequential order, I found that when you're blending the two, you will get a more even distribution if you work outside corners in. And then I just put the mica powder down in all of the other coordinating colors. Once all the mica powder is down, you do want to blow off any extra. The mica powder I'm using for this next layer is kind of like an iridescent pearl mixed with a rose gold. So then I just mixed about 6 ounces more of resin. And then you just fill the molds the rest of the way up. I once again hit the resin with my small heat gun, popping any air bubbles, and then cover them with an Amazon box until they cure. And these are the final results. As you can see, they have this really beautiful glow and shine. I think these are super fun to make for springtime or for Pride, or just if you love rainbows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below if there's anything else you see out there that you want me to try. And as always, happy painting.